Hi, everyone. My name is Kelly Gindelsberger, and I am a Partner Success Manager at Infrascale. Today, we are going to give you a high-level overview of who Infrascale is and what products we have. Chris, do you want to introduce yourself?
Absolutely. So my name is Chris Bain, and I'm the Chief Solutions Architect here at Infrascale. So I'll be handling some of the technical parts of the conversation on what our solutions do and where's a great place to use them.
Thanks, Chris. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have. So I'm going to start from the left. Infrascale Cloud Backup is a direct-to-cloud offering protecting endpoints, so desktops, laptops, tablets, mobile devices. Allows you to recover in the cloud unlimited version history. Okay, so this is great for folks that are, famous for leaving their laptop on the roof of their car or, being paranoid about ransomware. We've got ransomware detection in there. Obviously, that's a big concern these days. With the unlimited version history, you can just simply go in and recover the last safe file. We'll talk more about that later. Next up, Infrascale Cloud Application Backup. This is our SaaS backup tool. So you can leverage this to protect Office 365, SharePoint, OneDrive, G Suite, Salesforce.com, Box.com, and Dropbox. that was a lot. This would give you the ability to recover indefinitely past that 30-day window that most of those applications are going to give you natively. Next up, on the disaster recovery side, we've got one product broken out into two flavors, if you will. So this is our appliance to cloud model. IDR Local is going to give you the ability to boot locally with cloud replication. So if the site is wiped out completely, worst case scenario, we've got your data safe in our cloud and we can send it to you, but there's no cloud boot. Now, IDR Cloud allows you to boot servers in the cloud within minutes per server. So it's very quick. So with that option, you're able to boot locally or in the cloud. An area we stand out here is our speed. So it's very quickly to recover. You don't need to call us. You don't need to fill out paperwork. There's no extra charge. You just simply go into the console, into the dashboard, hit a few buttons, and you can boot from there. It's very simple. All right, we're going to take a closer look at this in just a second. This is our dashboard. So all the products I just touched on are all managed out of this single pane of glass. We allow you to recover and run out of the Infrascale cloud, your own cloud, or on the appliance like I talked about. Chris, can you take us to the dashboard?
Sure, absolutely. So let's go ahead and bring up a live dashboard here, and we can see this is part of the great part of the way that our dashboard's configured is that it's a multi-tiered dashboard. So as we offer those multiple solutions, we can manage all of those in here, but we also have the ability to manage all of the customers in here. So as we can see right now, I'm at the top tier level. If I go in here and I say I want to manage companies, I can see all the different companies that I've got set up that are using the Infrascale solutions. So here, if we go ahead and jump down and take a look at the Orlando office, I can log into that one. And now what that's going to do is it's actually going to zoom me into just information about the Orlando office. So here we can see that everything on this portal has changed. Now we just see the accounts that are specific to that. Any errors or alerts that are coming up, what devices are configured. We come in here and we want to look at, the backup accounts. So this is for that direct to cloud backup solution that we had talked about. We can see all the different backup accounts that are out here. We can see how much space they're taking up. If we go in here and we want to look at the SaaS backup, here we can see what we're backing up, how much of it we're using. So this lets us manage that cloud to cloud backup. And then we also have the ability to come in here and look at DR sites and appliances. So that's going to show us all the appliances, which is that DRaaS solution that Kelly was talking about. So these give you, again, the ability to back up in a DR image, but you can still do individual file level restores. So it takes care of your backup recoveries, and it also gives you disaster recovery with the ability to boot on the local appliance and to boot up in the cloud. Now, with that being said, one other place I do want to show you is Kelly had mentioned that we have all these different solutions. But what I like about having them all in one place here is it's really easy to set up alerting and monitoring. So you can not only have the dashboard as a place you can log in and see all the alerts, but you can also set it up to automatically send out alerts to you in your email and let you know everything that's going on. Being in this industry for about 20 years now, one of the biggest problems you kind of run into is when you think you have a solution in place and it's working and it's not. And I love that we offer tons of ways for you to monitor all of our solutions and make sure they're doing exactly what you expect them to be doing.
Thanks, Chris, for that overview. All right, let's take a look at where our data centers are. So you can see here, our default data center in the United States is in Salt Lake City, Utah. For Canada, it is Toronto. Keep in mind, if you've got your own data center, we can leverage that as well for the DR product. All right, so with backup and DR, if you're not aware, the opportunity is huge to help your clients solve their business challenges and ultimately make some money while doing so. So only 35% of small to medium-sized businesses have a DR plan in place. That's huge. That's a huge opportunity for us. You can see here, cost of natural disasters, huge. 96% of businesses have an outage in a 3-year period. So as you're trying to pitch DR, they should all, 96% of them at least, would be able to relate. Yes, we had an outage. Yes, we had some type of disaster and had downtime. Downtime generally for most businesses is dollars out the door. So that's ultimately our goal, to keep them from being down. Lastly, a big percent of data loss is often due to human error, just good old folks like you and me doing the best we can, and we just make mistakes sometimes. So it's having the ability to protect that information so that way when an error is made or something goes down, you can quickly recover it to minimize downtime. Thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it. We look forward to working with you. We are also going to be releasing a couple more videos, one for each of our products. We hope you'll check them out. Thanks and have a great day.